first tech unboxing of 2026. Welcome to Tech Time with Kai. Alright, we're gonna start opening, and as always, if you catch me looking up a little bit, I'm looking at my phone to record short-form content, and my watch is recording. So let's open it up. Today we have the Bose SoundLink Chilled Lilac speaker. And this is something I'm really excited about. If you watched any of my past videos, then you would know, oh my gosh, then you would know that I had a speaker for free. So we have the Bose SoundLink Flex portable wireless speaker. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. That's the song stuck in my head. I'm about to lose control, but I think I like it. Okay. Oh, so pretty, my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's purple. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Let's see. Any cool specs? The limited edition chilled lilac version. Oh my gosh, I can't really see me. Let's see. I'm trying to not, I won't be able to get my forehead. Okay, I guess I'll sit like that. Cross my legs. Okay. Yeah, so it's limited edition. SoundLink Flex. Clear, deep, powerful sound. Position IQ detects. Waterproof and dust proof. And it syncs with other Bose speakers. So imagine having your whole sound system and then add this to it. Give the extra bass you need so it could be knocking. And up to 12 hours per charge. So better go ahead and take it off. This is like my first product is an Apple since I was little. Oh, that's so satisfying. Oh, okay. I definitely want to get into more tech this year, so I'm really excited that my first unboxing isn't an Apple product, but it's Bose. So it comes with the speaker and the cable. So, oh my goodness. Oh, it doesn't open like that. It opens like a box. Like, it's so pretty. Just how I imagined it. I had this on my vision board last year. If I can insert a picture, I will. The music's going to sound amazing. And the charger, so it looks like it's USB-C by the USB cable. Oh, it's different. It's like sturdy. All right, let's get into the little manual right quick because it's not an Apple product, so I gotta make sure I read. I gotta download an app. Okay, set up your speaker, manage Bluetooth devices, get updates and new features with Bose Connect app. Charge your speaker using the USB Type-C charging cable with a wall charger not provided. I have a purple one, so match. Power button. Then you download the app. This is all different languages. That's neat. It's like every language you could think of. Okay, so manual. This, I think it's just the important safety instructions. I'm going to be safe with her, so I don't need that. Let's see if I have a block right now. The speaker is, I would say it's not that heavy. I could take it with me on the go. Hotels and everything. It could be a waterproof. Oh my gosh, this is so different for me to be unboxing. So with Apple, I usually know how to do it, but Bose, it's like whoa, like plastic. And here's the orange. I was about to say ring holder, keychain holder, but you can hold it like this, and it's not that heavy. Honestly, I would say this is a heavy ass, maybe like a little bag of sugar. I'm so excited to have this. I really hope it has some charge. Let's get close up on that chilled lilac. Buttons, power button, minus, plus, Bluetooth, and that may be for the water if you need to get the water out. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna pause it and get some up close shots, but I need to download the app with you all. Oh, let's try to cut it off first, see if it has battery. Okay, she's dead. What should I name her? I don't know. But we may have to charge her up and come back. I think I'm gonna come back, so keep watching. I just plugged it up and it did the little, I would say it's like an Android symbol. Well, noise is like da-da, and then that's how you know it's on. But I don't know how much charge I have. Once I download the Bose Connect app, which is amazing. It's a new app. I love apps with technology. It's just really nice. Bose, and then let's do Bose Connect. Okay, wow. So here's the app. Gonna download it. And drinking matcha, of course. This is a Trader Joe's and Jade Leaf matcha mix. So it's Trader Joe's iced matcha latte powder and Jade Leaf matcha culinary blend with a salted caramel cold foam. It's too good. This is my second cup of the day. Okay, I just downloaded the app. It's more important than your trust. Okay, it says don't see your product, turn your product off and then back on again. So it should have some charge. Let me get it. Okay, let's cut it on. I think. I don't think it was on.
Battery 20%. Ready to connect. To start setup, download the Bose Connect app.
Wow, there it is. Ooh, okay, let me. Okay, let's go. Okay, connecting. Pair. English. It says nickname it Bose SoundFlex. I'm gonna put Kai's Bose SoundFlex SoundLink. Okay, get the most out of your Bose SoundLink Flex. Take the tour. Of course, I want to take the tour. Play music, my favorite part. Press this button once to play or pause your music. Okay. Skip songs. Double press this button to skip to the next song. Triple press to go back to the previous song. Take a call. Press this button once to answer or end a call. Siri. Press and hold this button to use Siri. After the beep, wait for Siri to respond, then ask it anything. Change volume. Press the volume up, volume down to control the volume. Bluetooth. The Bluetooth button is on the right edge of your speaker. Press it to switch between different devices. Check the Bluetooth status. This indicator blinks blue when it's ready to connect, blinks white when connecting, and is solid white when connected. Almost there. If you want to discover more about your product, then check out the settings menu, product tour, connections, auto off timer, user manual, and more. Okay, this is my speaker. Let's see. Party mode. You can connect a second SoundLink speaker to start the party. This is my own smart speaker. Let's play some music. What am I playing? Go ahead and comment down below. Okay, guesses are in. What is she playing today? I'm gonna play a little. I'm gonna play like 3 songs.
These days I just watching romance movies before we labor.
Ooh. Play something else. Oh, I want to play Bryson Tiller. Okay, let's play Bryson Tiller. What do I want to hear? My favorite song. Okay, I don't want to get copyrighted. One more song. That's so loud. I feel like that's coming out of this little baby. Like, whoa. Let me be careful. Like, whoa. Okay, I'm gonna play favorite artist, top notch. I'm sure that's what y'all comment down below. Let's play oldie but goodie. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna play.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me, fellas, have you seen that?
That's so good. I'm so excited. That's really nice. I don't like it copyrighted. Hey, y'all, I started listening to some more Chris Brown. That's one of my favorite songs. So I can't wait to listen to some more, but I don't want to get copyrighted. But I'm glad I was able to show you all 3 different songs so you can really get a feel for this device. I was able to get it through QVC, and I was just really excited about this. So this is my limited edition Chilled Lilac Bose SoundLink Flex speaker. Let me get Okay, so this is the Bose SoundLink Flex portable speaker. I love her so much. I can't wait to do my makeup with my music, listen to maybe some podcasts. Really want to get into that. And I can answer my calls. I could just take this wherever I want, especially like in my purse for traveling, being in a hotel. My mom called me, ring, 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 and be like, oh, hey mom, how you doing? But this is the phone. So yes, I am so thankful. Tell me what y'all think about my tech time with Kai with the Bose SoundLink Flex speaker. And y'all have a great life. Bye. Well, let me play.
You say you don't really care. Don't worry about it. We just 1, 2 step